In a historic victory, Saleng Sangma of the Indian National Congress for the TURA Lok Sabha Constituency was declared the winner by the returning officer on the 4th of June 2024. He triumphed over Agatha Sangma of the National People's Party, who is the outgoing MP and daughter of late Purno A Sangma, by an overwhelming margin of 1,55,241 votes. Saleng Sangma garnered a total of 3,83,919 votes. The winning INC candidate was accompanied by the Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee's working president, Deborah Marak, as he celebrated his decisive win.
This is the victory of the people. People, they have decided to vote for Congress this time for a change.
It's a total miracle for us actually. We never expected that we will be winning with this huge margin, but it seems like there is a divine intervention, and I want to praise the Lord for that. Since they have already had a hope with me, I'll definitely try to deliver whatever I can with truth and sincerity. I think they need a change. Maybe that's the reason why, because it's very, very long time that nobody could have changed them, but it's the people who have, made their choice, and then they have decided to, take a change. Yeah, because the God was with me. Of course, when God was with me, definitely everybody will have that confidence.
Right.
Not only me.
So there's obviously anti-incumbency, right, on the sitting MP at the moment. Why do you think that's happening?
I won't say anti-incumbency or, a sort fall like that. But if the people's willing to change, definitely they do the change.
And who do you attribute this big win to, sir?
Public, and then all those workers like Madam Deborah, Auntie Ferlin, all of them.